Ever wondered how modern escape rooms create those jaw-dropping moments when walls slide open and hidden compartments magically appear? The secret isn't magic at all. It's linear actuator technology, and it's revolutionizing how immersive entertainment experiences are designed. Gone are the days when escape rooms relied on simple padlocks and basic puzzles. Today's participants demand theatrical reveals that respond instantly to their achievements. They want secret panels gliding silently aside, treasure chests emerging from floors, and automated mechanisms that bring stories to life. This is where linear actuators become game changers. Think about it. Traditional motion systems like pneumatics or hydraulics require compressors, tanks, and complex plumbing. That's a nightmare for small entertainment venues. Electric linear actuators operate on simple 12 or 24-volt DC power. You get precise, repeatable motion with just a basic relay and power supply. The engineering advantages are compelling. Installation is straightforward enough that designers without extensive technical backgrounds can implement sophisticated effects. Maintenance is minimal since there are no fluids to leak or airlines to fail. Most importantly, the reliability is exceptional, which matters when you're running dozens of sessions daily. From sliding bookcase doors to rising platforms and rotating walls, linear actuators enable effects that were previously impossible or prohibitively expensive. They're quiet, safe, and can be programmed to create perfectly timed sequences that enhance storytelling. For engineers and designers entering this rapidly growing industry, understanding actuator technology is becoming essential. The escape room market has exploded to over 5,000 facilities worldwide and continues doubling every few years. Want to dive deeper into specifications, control systems, and implementation strategies? Find the link in the description below to read the full article.